Hello and welcome again to my channel, and this is the session where I share with you my trade setup for the week. And this week I will be looking at GBP USD. So now on GBP USD, if you go to our daily time frame, if you have watched my previous video on GBP USD or my analysis on GBP USD, you will know that we have been waiting for this particular level where the price is right now. And now that the price is at this level, so what is the next thing for us to do? Now, at the moment, there is nothing we can do yet because the price has not confirmed a sell for us. Yet at this level, we are looking out for sell, but price is yet to confirm a sell. And we need to get a confirmation before we can sell. Now, why am I so convinced that the price might sell from this place, but nobody is sure 100%? Is what the market gives you that you take. But why am I looking at this particular level? If you look at this level now, you know price was making, if you watch the previous video, you see price was making an upward move from here to here. But at this point, there is a shift, a change of trend. And here we have a break of demand, and the price is trying to retrace, since we have a break of demand at this level, and this is the supply leg that break this demand, then the price has to retest that particular place. And now that the price has retested that place, what do we need to do next? So what we need to do next is now for us to be looking out for a self confirmation at this particular level. And I want you to watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video, I'm still going to show you what I saw on DSY. I'm going to reconfirm this particular trade for you on with DXY. So go to 4 hours time frame now. What are we seeing here? You can say that the price have been making an uptrend here, from here up to this place. But now that is at this level, before I could begin to short this GBP USD now, I need to see a break below this 1.26451. If I see a break below this and the price close below this, then I will now wait for a retest. Like, for example, if I could have something like this, then a retest. Then from here, I will now begin to do what? Short GBP USD. But as of now, there is nothing like that. So we have to wait. We still have to wait for the confirmation. But I know there are some aggressive traders that will have started selling right now. But if there is no confirmation, selling or buying is not advisable. So what we are looking right now for confirmation, either we have a candle confirmation here, or we have a change of trend by this price breaking below this particular level. So those are the two things that I'm waiting for right now before I could do anything on GBP USD. And also, you need to watch that even if a sell is confirmed at this level, we still need to watch this particular trend line, because we have two touches of trend line now. As of now, we have two touches of trend line, number one, then number two. So when the price comes down to this place, we might have a touch of trend line here, and that might give us a buy. So if we have a sell confirmation here, then even our sell can still go below this particular point here. So we still need to watch that. Then if we're able to break this trend line, then we now know we'll continue to move, we will continue to roll to the downside. So we still need to watch that. But before we can make any attempt to sell now, we need a sell confirmation that the price have to break below this particular level that we are looking at here, or we have another confirmation before we can sell. So if you look at DSY, you agree with me that DSY is the one that determines the movement of USD pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD, AUD USD, and other USD related pairs. And if you look at this DXY now, that is the US dollar index, you can see that we have been making an uptrend from here. We have a break of structure here, a pullback, another break of structure. So that means we are clearly in an uptrend in DXY. Yeah, though there is a little support here, but if you look at this, we have the touch of trend line here. And if you look at this particular level where DXY is right now, is on the third touch of trend line and at a demand level. So that makes this particular level stronger. And not only that, you can see the 200 EMA, the 200-day EMA that is also supporting that particular place. So we have like three confluences in that place right now. The 200 EMA, the demand, and the third touch of trend line. So if you look at all those three things together, then you will agree with me that this particular level is going to be a very strong level. So all we need to be looking out for right now is for the DSY to begin to move up from here. So most likely DXY is going to begin to make a bullish move from here. Although nobody can say anything yet. It's what the market gives us that we're going to take. The market might decide to break it, but if we see any bullish movement here, so that means at this particular point, if there is any bullish movement here, based on what we have seen so far here, that means the GBP USD is going to sell, Euro USD is going to sell, then AUD USD, after closing back below this place, is going to continue the sell. So that is what I have for you right now for as my trade setup for this week.